If you are new to WordPress, one of these mistakes can completely break your website. In this video, I'll show you the top 7 WordPress mistakes beginners make and exactly how to fix them. Hi, I'm Atev. I help beginners build professional WordPress website without coding. Let's jump straight into mistake number 1. Using too many plugins. Beginner thinks plugins solve everything, but too many plugins slow down your site and cause conflicts. How to fix that? Only install plugins you really need. One plugin per purpose. If you don't use it, delete it. Quality plugins are better than quantity. Mistake number 2. Ignoring website speed. A slow website kills user experience and SEO. How to fix it? Do these 3 things. Use good hosting, install a caching plugin, and optimize images. You don't need to be technical to speed up WordPress. Mistake 3. Not using child them. Beginners edit the main theme and lose everything after an update. How to fix that? Always use a child theme or page builders like Elementor for customization. This keeps your site safe when themes update. Mistake number 4. Skipping backup. One update or mistake and your site is gone. How to fix that? Install a backup plugin and schedule automatic backups. If you don't have backup, you don't have a website. Mistake number 5. Using admin as a username. This makes your site an easy target for hackers. How to fix that? Create a custom admin username and use a strong password. Security starts with simple steps. Mistake number 6. Forgetting SEO basics. Your site exists, but no one can find it. How to fix that? Install an SEO plugin, set page title, meta description, and readable URLs. SEO is not optional. Mistake number 7. Not designing for mobile. Most visitors are on mobile, but beginners design only for desktop. How to fix that? Always check your site on mobile and tablet. In Elementor, mobile optimization takes just minutes. If you want to avoid these mistakes and build your first WordPress website step by step, subscribe to the channel. New videos every week.